Your Excellency the President, Your Excellency the Deputy President, the Right Reverend Bishop Okemwa, all protocols observed. Your Excellency, first I want to sincerely thank you for coming here to Kisii. Asante sana kwa kuja hapa Kisii. Ya pili, Your Excellency, I sincerely want to thank you for the job that you have given all of us, including myself from this area. Where you are here, this is Bogetutu. It is the largest clan in Kisii, and I also come from Bogetutu. Your Excellency, the third thing I want to tell you is that the Right Reverend Bishop Mairura here, he said he's your friend, but I want to tell you that if you have a friend from Kisii, it is Bishop Mairura, and I'm telling you that because I used to be a governor here. This man, Your Excellency, loves you, and he has very nice thoughts about you. Finally, Your Excellency, sisi kama community ya Kisii, tuko na leaders wetu hapa na vitu wameuliza, tunakuomba utusaidie kama Kisii, tukiendelea mbele. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, na karibu Kisii tena. Asante sana. Abantu ba mintonyoro kingonoko bakoiga, ngantoko geto monenara. Mbiamono sana. Thank you very much.
Your Excellency.